Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the template and how to edit the templates on your Google Slide mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to edit the Google Slide mobile template? So first of all, open your Google Slide, click on this plus symbol. You will see an option to choose template. Just click this, and here you will see a template: education template, work template, and also personal template. So there is a lot of templates. So just choose the template. I just going to choose the photo album template. So it's actually opening here. You just want internet to edit it. Now it's loaded, so just click this image and you will see a lot of option. Click on this three dot option. You will see option to replace. Click on the replace the image, and also the text. Just double tap it here and you can just edit the text, and you can just change the style also. Click on this a symbol, which actually have the text, paragraph and shape edit tools, and this is how you just edit it. And you can also delete this, delete it, copy it and rearrange it, whatever that you want. You can easily edit the template and use the template here. You just need to click on this plus symbol and just choose the template. This is how you just use the template here. You can see a lot of different type of templates are given as a example, and you can just use it: status report, case study, professional template, photo template, and a wedding template, like that, and also the portfolio. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.